How to remove legacy calling account on Google Meet. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your legacy calling account on Google Meet. So without any further delay, let us just jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do here is open up Google Meet. And once you have your Meet application open, make sure you're logged into the account where you want to remove your legacy calling option. So as you can see here, I'm currently logged into my account over here. And if you want to remove your legacy calling option, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top left or the hamburger menu. Then go to settings. Once you are on your settings menu, you can go to calling or the legacy account here, tap on it. Then go to legacy calling account. And from here, you basically want to turn off this option where it says let people call you with their email address. Now just turn it off. You could also remove your calling account and manage your legacy calling history. So let's say if I want to completely remove my legacy calling account, I can tap on remove calling account and then remove. What it does is messages and other history will also be deleted. And you can download any messages that you want to keep before deleting your account. I don't want to keep anything, I'll just completely remove it. And once the removing process starts, wait for a bit. Now the legacy calling account has been deleted. That's basically it, guys. That's how you remove your legacy calling account. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.